Is your skin tight, flaky or dull? You might think it's dry skin. But what if it's actually dehydrated? These two look the same on the outside, but underneath they're two completely different issues. Dry skin is a skin type. It's something you're born with. Dry skin lacks oil. It lacks oil because your skin is just not producing enough oil. Dehydrated skin, on the other hand, is a temporary condition. Anyone can end up with dehydrated skin irrespective of your skin type, be it oily, dry, normal or combination. You can all end up having dehydrated skin. Dehydrated skin lacks water. Dry skin looks rough, itchy, dull, tight all over. Dehydrated skin, on the other hand, usually has red and irritation at a few spots. For dehydrated skin, you need ingredients which can pull water to your skin. Now, these are the water magnet skincare ingredients, also called humectants. These are your glycerin, panthenol, hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate. So for dehydrated skin, use these kind of ingredients regularly and then top it off with a thick cream so that the hydration these ingredients bring to the skin stay in the skin and don't evaporate back to the atmosphere. Dry skin has a weak skin barrier, so you need skincare ingredients like the ones mentioned here to strengthen the skin's barrier function. Dry skin also needs this water magnet skincare ingredients regularly because dry skin too tends to lose a bit of more water than other skin types. Dehydrated skin is something that you have brought upon yourself. What I mean by that is skin loses a lot of hydration because the skin's barrier, the shield function, has become weak. It's become weak because maybe you're using harsh skincare ingredients, maybe you're over exfoliating, maybe you're using wrong cleansers, maybe you're sitting in an air-conditioned room a lot, or maybe your heater is on constantly, or it can be something else. So basically you brought it upon yourself. So what you need to do is, apart from providing hydration to the skin, you also need to strengthen the skin's barrier function. You need ingredients just like the dry skin needs to strengthen the skin's barrier function. So basically, whether it's dehydrated skin, dry skin, you need ingredients which can pull hydration to the skin and ingredients which can strengthen the skin's barrier function. The chances of dry skin becoming dehydrated is very high when compared to all the other skin types. That's about it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.